Hey Thunderwolves! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to register for courses in just a few simple steps. If you're watching this video, you should have already found your program requirements and planned your timetable. Not there yet? Pause this video and watch Understanding Your Program Requirements and Planning Your Timetable, linked in the description below. Let's get to it. Start by logging into myPortal and clicking the Student tab. From here, look for the course registration card and click Register for Courses. This will bring you to your planned schedule. Each term has its own timetable, one for fall courses, one for year-long or fall-winter courses, and one for winter courses. You should see all your courses highlighted in yellow. If anything's highlighted in red, that means it's conflicting with another course, or the course has a wait list. If you need to make a change to your plan, you can remove a course by clicking the X. To register, click the Register for All Courses button at the top right of the page. You'll need to do this for each term. Each time you click Register for All Courses, you should see the courses change from yellow to green on your timetable, and you'll receive an automated email confirming your successful registration. It's that simple. If you're looking for additional support with course registration, connect with Student Central in person, over the phone, or online through their inquiry form. Contact details are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.